The conflict between the US and Iran is taking a backseat, so investors are regaining risk appetite. The US dollar is winning back earlier losses against the safe haven yen. The greenback has advanced notably versus the franc. Despite the monetary policy differential between the US and other leading central banks, traders still rely on the safe haven yen. Amid fears about escalating jitters in the Middle East, the yen surged to a three-month high. However, an exchange of tweets from the US and Iran played down the scenario of a full-blown regional conflict and calmed markets down. So the US dollar regained momentum. Following Iran's airstrikes on the Iraqi military bases, the greenback fell below 108 versus the yen. On Thursday night, the dollar-yen pair gained 0.26% to trade at near 109.42. The US dollar index is also trading higher. It settled up at about 97.10 in the early New York trade. At present, the positive market sentiment is propped up mainly by the truce in the trade relations between the US and China. The first phase trade deal is due to be signed next week, so investors are anticipating this landmark event. Besides, investors are inspired by the solid US labor market. The number of initial unemployment claims declined to 214,000 in the first week of January. The reading was better than expected. Several officials of the Federal Open Market Committee are due to speak today. Fed officials hold annual meetings to adopt a stance on forward guidance, so investors will be looking for clues about the regulator's further moves in monetary policy. The Canadian dollar is exhausting its strength. The US dollar versus the Canadian dollar pair is steadily moving upwards. In the New York session, the currency pair is trading at near 1.3056, having grown 0.15%. Today, traders speculating on the loonie are absorbing data on Canada's construction sector. Financial markets calmed down. It is difficult to predict what exactly could spark off turmoil. Remarkably, even military clashes with Iran's involvement did not trigger panic among investors. Companies are due to report their financial records soon. Such data alongside GDP figures will shed light on economic prospects of advanced economies. And that is all for now. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.